Hi, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. We are going to build a very nice free YouTube thumbnail generator using Nano Banana, and that too using the latest Gemini 3. Let's run this run.sh. It creates a new Python environment and installs the dependencies. In .env file, I have put my Gemini API key. It's very easy to get the API key. Just visit Google Cloud Studio and there is a link to get your API key. Okay, so now it says image successfully generated and saved to image.png. In the thumbnail creator script, we have specified the style of the thumbnail that we need to create and the text title to be placed. So see here. So this is the image that it created. So this script can be used to automate your YouTube thumbnail generation, YouTube meta title and description and hashtags and keywords you generate using the Gemini CLI. The same way you can use Nano Banana to create the thumbnail so that you get your thumbnail locally. So this is another thumbnail that I've created. So these tiny snippets can help you automate using your CLI. This project uses a powerful Python script to automatically generate eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Google's cutting-edge generative AI. So let's see what this script does. This is the YouTube thumbnail.py script. We are using Agno library to simplify the agentic behavior. This script sends a detailed prompt to the Gemini model to create a high-quality, professional-looking thumbnail for your YouTube videos. You can easily customize the text on the thumbnail to match video's title and style as well. Follow these simple steps to get the script up and running. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from python.org and download the files. Link to the repo is given in the description. It's a good practice to create a virtual environment to keep the project's dependencies isolated. Python -m-venv creates a new virtual environment in venv folder. After that, we install the dependencies. In requirements.txt, we have specified the dependencies. We use Pillow library to save the image. And of course, we need Gemini API, Gemini_API_key. So create a .env file and place your API key. You can put the API key as Google_API_key equal to the value of your API key. And how to get the key, the detailed explanation is given in the blog. Link is in the description. So before we generate the thumbnail, make sure that you visit the prompt section where you can edit the title and maybe the thumbnail image style, and then run the script. That is it. When you run, you will see the message, image was successfully generated and saved to generated_image.png. That is it. You're free to edit and use this automated YouTube thumbnail generator. See you again in another practical video like this for your automation journey. This is Sri from Techie Talks AI. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert nocodemake.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.